Yeah, to maintain the list, ganun po ang role nila. Sila yung dedicated, in addition to their job, dedicated po to handle.
And binanggit mo rin dito sa 26, matatapos na tayo, si Leonardo conducted briefings for PIDEA, IG, regional directors, and PNP chiefs. PNP chiefs?
Yes, Mr. Chair. Mga incoming po.
Siya ang nag-conduct ng briefing?
Yes po, Mr. Chair. Meron po kasing extensive research po ginawa si Sir. Meron po yung confidential na book na yan po yung ginagamit niya to brief po mga RDs, R2s, Chief PNPs, incoming Chief PNPs po, para ma-appraise po sila kung ano po yung present drug situation and operation sa bansa po.
Okay. Do you have knowledge kung sino yung mga na-brief niya sa PIDEA, sa IG, doon na lang sa PIDEA, sino yung mga na-brief ni,
Mr. Chair, I think sa record makikita naman po natin kung sino po yung mga umupo na mga directors during that time. I cannot actually memorize it po, sir.
Sige, thank you. Do you have also knowledge about those other personalities who have been killed on the war on drugs? Like big personalities that you know about?
Yes, Mr. Chair. It was a public knowledge. It was in the newspaper, like the couple na Odikta, di ba, namatay po yun. Mayor Halili,
Ano
may
yung
mga
kay Mayor
mayors,
sa Calabarzon yan, Tony Halili?
Region 4A.
Yes, anong
Halili.
alam mo sa pagkamatay ni Tony Halili?
He was shot during the flag raising ceremony.
Yes,
and
yes,
says
it was reported.
Sniper po.
So, what do you know about the...
Chismis lang kasi, Mr. Chair.
Okay.
And I think imported. Kasi during that time po sa war on drugs, pwede pong tumawid yung mga operatives.
So wala kang direct knowledge about it? Wala kang direct knowledge about it?
Pinagmalaki kasi ng isa, sir, na sila.
Sino yung nagmalaking yun?
Major Albotra, Mr. Chair.
Major
Albotra of Region 7.
Albotra?
Yes.
Of Region 7?
Yes po. Ano pangalan ni Albotra?
Major Albotra ng Region 7.
Lieutenant Colonel nata. Yes, sir, pinagmalaki niya sa akin noon. Oh, talaga, sabi ko, how did you do it? So, mga kilala niya, mga kasama niya.
At sila ang nagpapatay kay Tony Halili?
He said he's in the team, Mr. Chair.
So, it's a team that killed Mayor Tony Halili. So, it was
According to
really
him.
a planned...
According to him, Mr. Chair.
according to
During
Major...
that time kasi, Mr. Chair, kung meron ng grapevine, like it would appear na it is a operation, nagkakaroon ng code of silence. It's real talk, Mr. Chair, sa PNP, tahimik na. Matatakot na yung iba, matatakot na rin. Even RDs would say na, oh, trabaho yan. Oh, huwag mong trabaho. They will just call you and then it became a culture. Minsan i-process kasi mag-intervene ang NBI, mas nakakatuwa nga kung NBI kasi talagang mas maganda pag ganon.